Sound effect plays a crucial role in filmmaking. It can take your movie from to wow, this is amazing. Now, when I'm talking about sound effects, I'm talking about sounds that have objects or actions that you see in movies. I'm sorry, that you hear in movies. Like you know, all those I won't go to all those like extreme movies, like all these Chinese movies or blockbuster American movies where there's a lot of action scenes and you're hearing punches and all. Now the thing is, most of the time, all those actions, they are not from the shooting itself. They are like post production sound effects, because you might capture some, but most of the time you don't really capture it exactly the way you want to sound like. And you can't start saying, oh, because of this sound we have to reshoot this. It doesn't make sense. So most of the time it's always post, which makes it more appealing to the audience watching the movie. Now I'm not going to fall into exactly how it works, where you put it in your Premiere Pro or Final Cut, whichever app you use, but what I'm just trying to say right now is this sound effects can make or break your video content. Okay, it goes to as little as let me even do an example right now. You know, normally when you see a video and there's a how I put it, you see like this object right now, you heard that sound, right? Sometimes you might be videoing and you might have not actually captured, or the sound might have not been captured, okay, and you need to have that there just so that the audience watching it would feel like they're in the same space as the scene that is happening. Okay, in post-production, where you can actually like put the sound of what I just showed earlier, you put the sound there, so even if you didn't capture it, you hear the sound of this bottle dropping. So that's why I said earlier, like sound effects is either sound of an object, sound of an action. So it's a long list, but if it's not called sound effects, it's called SFX. So that's like the short form of it. Either way, you can get these sound effects on platforms like Epidemic Sound. I'm not promoting them or anything. I just know that most of the filmmakers that I watch, because I study up on filmmaking a lot from YouTube everywhere, and I noticed that most of them mention these platforms. So I had to check it out. No, you pay for the subscription and they have a whole collection of sound effects. So even like sounds you can't even think, like you obviously can't really even get while shooting, you get that and you put it into your movie or your video content, and it just takes it to wow, this is just amazing. Like you'd be surprised the amount of sound effects you have on some video contents you see out there. I mean, they are making the whole thing come out like a whole lot better than if they were without the sound effect. But of course, some people probably don't have the money to pay for a subscription on Epidemic Sound and all. It happens. You can get them on YouTube. YouTube has a library of free sound effects and all. Please, you have to be very, very careful with copyright when you are going for this. That's why some people would rather use platforms like Epidemic, because once you pay, you don't have to worry about copyright. But if you're using YouTube, you have to make sure there's no copyright claim on it. And you'll be shocked that you can actually make these sound effects. Like I can't remember the clip I saw. You know, sometimes when you're on Instagram, you see some of all these film Instagram pages posting crazy behind the scenes of some sounds or whatever of a movie.
Should do it.
What they were using to create that sound was not even related to the sound that you would hear from the movie. Still breaking down to what I'm trying to say is that there are options aside using Epidemic Sound or even getting from YouTube. There might be some sounds that you just check everywhere and you're not just getting to sound the way you want to sound. And there are some people that actually produce these sounds. So there's also that option, okay? And yes, we're at the end of this video. I hope this was helpful, and hopefully you would look at sound effects, or you would take sound effect much more seriously if you haven't been, and it take your video to another level, moving from novice to pro. All right, so I'm going to be seeing you next time.